A very good morning, class. I am here to start a new chapter today, that is chapter number 12, Natural Vegetation. Natural Vegetation. It's on page number 78. And in the last chapter, we discussed about the climate of India. And I would like to just inform you all that coming Monday, on 15th of February 2021, we will have an online test of this. So make sure that you prepare well. All the answers are given to you all, question answers, behind parts, that is match the following, true, false. Then you have match the following, true, false, and tick the correct following. Okay, and the answer, question answers. See, everything is provided to you all. So I hope that you may not be having any doubt. Prepare well for the online test. We'll have it in the evening, Monday evening. Okay. And we are in the last chapter of our for the final term. That is chapter number 12, Natural Vegetation. Natural Vegetation. Like I explained to you all, see, the word natural means which comes on its own without any effort, without any human effort. When a thing follows on its own, that is called a natural. Some persons have inbuilt qualities of a singer, a painter, a dancer, or a good writer, or a good poet maker. So those persons who are blessed with such qualities, means who do not go for a proper training of such skills, who have not received any training or any classes for that, whose family history shows that none of the members of the family, father, forefathers, they were not trained into that particular skill. In spite of that, if a child bears such skills, we call it as a natural skill. Natural means it's inbuilt, it's on its own without any effort. So natural vegetation here means the plants or the trees which grow on its own without any human effort is called as natural vegetation. I repeat, the plants and the trees which grow on its own is called natural vegetation. Means no human effort is required. No human effort is made for the growth and development of the particular trees or plants, but it grows on its own. That is called as natural vegetation. Okay, this is one thing. Second is, when those vegetation grows, it slowly and steadily takes the form of forest. When those vegetation on a regular mode it grows on, it develops on, it takes the shape of a forest. So with this only we are going to start, we are going to conclude what is the importance of forest. We are going to study about the importance and types of forest. Importance and types of forest. This is what we are going to study. Slowly and steadily when the vegetation grows or develops, it takes the form of it takes the shape of a forest. So we are going to see what are the importance of forest and what are different types of forest in India, which are found in India or which we generally see in India. So different types of forest in our country. Then the conservation of forest. Why is the conservation of forest required, or why do we need to conserve the forest? Okay, why do we need to conserve the forest? The reason is now to maintain the ecological balance. Ecological balance. Now, ecological balance is not a new term for you all. You have already come across this term. What is ecological balance? Ecological balance means the balance between the natural and human environment is called as ecological balance. The balance between natural and Human involvement. The balance between the natural and the human involvement is called as ecological balance. Now class, understand the core part. Why is that the ecological balance is required? Why do we need to conserve the forest? Why is the conservation of forest so very important for us? Or what is the importance of forest for us? See, one fact you have to understand, that nothing is useless in this world. Everything has its own use at different times for different purposes. Everything has its own use at different times for different purposes. So the forest should not be considered as a useless or invaluable thing, but rather it is very much important to maintain the ecological balance. The balance of the nature, or balance of the nature can only be maintained when there is a forested area in a particular region. Example is, you see the recent news in Uttarakhand. Every now and then there is an earthquake, there is a flood, or there is some natural disturbances which keeps on taking place. Uttarakhand is one place, Bhuj in Gujarat is the other place, which is again disturbed area by the nature. Means the natural philosophy or the nature's philosophy does not go in line with the place. That is why there is a imbalance, and as a result there is a disaster. Come to our state, Jharkhand. In our state, there is a lot of greenery everywhere. Less of population is there, less of industries are there, more of greenery is there, and per person, the area to live in is more. That is why our area is in a more balanced form. The climatic conditions of this place, is much pleasant compared to the other states. So, the importance of forest is to maintain the natural balance, first thing, to give us the wood for the firewood, to give us the wood for the pulp with which we can prepare the papers. It is again used for different purposes. Then we have the rainwater which falls on earth during the monsoon season. When the rain falls on the earth, if there were no tree, if there were no plants, the whole water would get wasted. But when a plant is there, it is the water which falls on it is absorbed by the tree, and that helps us out to maintain the water layer in a particular area. The layers of the water can only be maintained when there is more of the forest. See, forest even helps us to maintain the layers of the water. Another major reason is the fertility of soil. It is said that when you use a particular thing, it remains good. So when the in and out, when more of the plants are planted, and every now and then, it helps to maintain the fertility of the soil. The fertility of the soil does not get lost since it's in regular use. So more or less, there are n number of uses in the forest, which the forest helps us out. The most important is it maintains the ecological balance. That you have to understand. There is a maintenance of ecological balance. There is no disturbance as such, and the nature supports when there is a balance in the particular region. We are going to discuss about the types of forest now. I'll just read out the names, and in the next class, in the next videos, we'll have a brief discussion about these. Evergreen forest, deciduous forest, thorny forest, tidal forest, and coniferous forest. So there are different types of forest we are going to come across. The importance of forest, the need for the conservation of forest. These are all things we are going to see in the coming classes. So make sure that you appear for the test on Monday and prepare well. All the best. Thank you.